everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add the vessel details in the Vessel Voyage Master under the NVOCC module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the NVOCC module. Here, we have to select the Vessel Voyage Master list under the NVOCC module. On this Vessel Voyage Master List page, we have to click the Create button. Now we have to enter the required details. After enter the details, then we have to click on the Save button. This is how to add the vessel details in the Vessel Voyage Master under the NVOCC module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.